This is Luxury Houses channel. We are in the Brentwood neighborhood of Los Angeles, California to discover the wonderful house at 12760 South Bristol Circle. This home offers 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms with over 8,887 square foot of living. The property location and price history are available at the end of this video. Located in prime Brentwood Park, you will be stunned by the grand details from the white oak flooring, to the beautiful hand-forged wrought iron custom French doors throughout, tremendous volume and natural light flood through the 12-foot ceilings and exquisite finishes. With 6 bedrooms, including a luxurious master suite with dry sauna, office, state-of-the-art home theater, parlor room, and outdoor gym cabana. The outdoor barbecue lounge area, pizza oven, cabana, fireplace, and zero-edge infinity pool and spa make for an entertainer's delight. Fully powered by Control 4 sound and security system, including multiple levels of perimeter security. The exterior boasts beautifully landscaped grounds with extensive use of Pennsylvania Bluestone and brick in hardscape. No expense was spared in this must-see home where class and function meet to make one of the most special opportunities on the Westside. A breathtaking masterpiece.